Hi guys, I'm just going to do a quick video of how I made a hack to, it's like a Buongiorno style hack using companyhub and vooplayer. Alright, so we go first of all to vooplayer and we just upload a video like you normally would. Then what you do, it has to be one, it can't be one on YouTube or something, it has to be one hosted by vooplayer. So all I did was upload a video I took on my iPhone. Then I took the email preview and the share link are the two things that you need. So the email preview, which turns the first few seconds into a GIF. Look, you can do the same thing yourself pretty easily in Snagit, but it's just good because it's already hosted here and everything. All right, so Control-C. Then you go into companyhub. I've made a template that does this, but it doesn't have to be a template. You can just do it in a normal email. The reason why a template's good is because then you can send it out as a welcome message. So this is if you want to keep the same message each time. If you don't, you can just individually do it. So you manage templates. Okay, so we'll call this one welcome. And I'll just put it in this one for now. We'll call it welcome message from our founder. Then you just say hi, and then you put in the contact field first name. The reason why I like to do it in companyhub is because then all the interactions, like I could send them a survey from Survey Sparrow, I could send them a welcome message using the vooplayer. So all the messages are tracked, and that way they're all tracked to the same customer. I don't have to go to in and out of a whole lot of different softwares. I can just see the whole trail in companyhub. That's what I'm thinking, but the other ones might be better. I just guess I'm thinking, oh, do I need more software anyway? So here we go. So you go to vooplayer and you get the image first, the email preview. Just copy that. Then you paste it in as an image. Okay. All right, so that's the image. And then, actually I've got to select the folder too. I'll just call it that. Then to put a link on an image, I'm not really sure how you're supposed to do it, but I watched another thing where you just put this before it. So what I'm going to do, because I'm not quite sure how I'm supposed to do it, I'm going to hack it a little bit. So what I do is I put a link in like what I want just before the image, and then I'll go into the code and change it so that it goes into the image. All right, so I'll show you what I'm doing. So go to the link there. Okay, then what I do is I paste it in there and I just write a word that I'll be able to see, like a dream or something, just something I would never use. Okay, so what I want to do is take the link off that and put it into there. So I go into the code, and what you've got to do is you need, I think I just need to delete these bits between here and here. That's all you do. So to put that, you just deleted those bits. Okay, save it. Update and use. So let's do a test and see if it works. So we send that through now. We go into here, message from our founder. We click on it. And look, it plays it from the vooplayer. There you go. Okay, so looking at the phone, how it looks on your iPhone. So you can see where it's open there, what happens. It just plays in your phone. So it plays on your phone as well as in your laptop. Okay. The very last thing I wanted to show you is that when you send emails through companyhub for anyone, you can see when they open an attachment or press on a link or anything like that. So when someone opens that welcome email, you'll be able to see and track it from within Company Hub. So you can see from email tracking here, if someone has clicked on a particular link in a video or whatever. And so you'll be able to look in here to see who's done that and who's not opened and all that sort of thing. The other thing is this way, of course, when you've got your contacts and you can send them a welcome message like this, you can send them a survey through Survey Sparrow, you can automate it all using the automation rules. So once you've got a template like that set up, you can automatically send it out to each new client, or you can just come in every day, and every time you've got a new client, it can alert you and you can just come in and do the new video to personalize to each person if you want to. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks a lot.